Hi guys and welcome back to 10K Vlogs. Hope everyone is doing great and having a wonderful time. Welcome back to a new video guys. In this video we are going to clean the chain and lube which motorcycle? Pulsar N250, because tomorrow I am going on a ride 300 kilometers round about that, a little bit more maybe, but most importantly, since the last chain cleaning and lubing, it's now around 500 kilometers, so the interval for your chain cleaning and lubing is 500 kilometers. Yeah, so that's the reason. And day after tomorrow, it's Mahashivratri, so I hope everyone is preparing for that and going to celebrate it in a very beautiful and magnificent way. I am going on a ride tomorrow especially for the Mahashivratri. It's a special video for that. We are going to a place where we will be able to see Shiva and Parvati, and maybe I broke the secret already, but anyway, that's it. So I just thought that let me share with you how we should do the cleaning and lubing of our chain in a proper way. It is very important. It's one of the parts that pulls your motorcycle and keeps you in a good condition when you are riding. So it's important that we keep it in a good and healthy condition as well. So let's go and do this cleaning and lubing. Come. So things we need is a brush, then toothbrush, and then C1 to clean the chain and C2 to lube it. And I also have a mask to prevent any of the fumes getting into my body through my nose and mouth. So as you can see, this is how the chain looks. It is not very bad because of the periodic maintenance, but still you can see there is a lot of dirt and grease sort of a thing that has accumulated on the sprocket and on the chain, and even here, and some part of the chain looks kind of dry and filled with dirt. So what we can actually do is we can actually first clean the chain using water, spray using a hose and water with a little bit of pressure. That should actually clean the chain from any dirt and debris, and after that we can actually begin with the cleaning and lubing. Yeah, so let's begin. So let's begin with the process. Step 1 is to apply this along the chain length at least once minimum or 2 times, and then leave the chain for 5 to 8 minutes so that all the dirt and grease comes out of it. And we can do that actually by running the motorcycle and pressing the clutch so that the wheel doesn't spin too fast, or if there are two people available, one can spray and one can rotate the wheel. Yeah, so let's do this guys. Alright, that's it. Now that we have applied the cleaner, let it clean the initial dirt and grease, and then after that we will use the brush to remove any of the sediments that are still there. Yeah, and properly clean the chain, and after that we will lube it. Alright, so this is a good idea to always use a mask. So see you in 5 to 10 minutes, but just a fraction of second in the vlog. And cleaning process. So this is the brush. Put it like this, and you can spin the wheel manually and just try and clean it. After this we will use cloth to remove any of the excess that has not been able to be removed by the brush. And then from the other direction, you can also do it like this, slowly. It is just a matter of your patience and love towards your motorcycle, with which you can actually clean it very well. So give it some more time, and then we will use a cloth to remove all the oil and grease and dirt. Yeah. And we can use the same cloth to actually clean all this area where you have this sprocket and these 5 bolts, because I want to clean that area also properly. Now this is just a job of patience and how much you want to clean. So slowly rubbing off. It will come back again and again because the chain throws in the cleaner and the lubricant onto the sprocket, and that's how both of them are lubricated equally. So but still I want to remove anything like dust, grease, and which can cause a lot of dust to get accumulated on the sprocket and chain. So this I will do, and then I will show it to you again. Alright, so cleaning is done with the cleaner and brush and using the cloth. So you can see the difference already, how much of a cleaning we have done. And also these nuts and bolts, I have tried to clean them, need to clean them a little bit more. And you can see how the chain looks now. It looks already lubricated because of the cleaner, but we have to add the lubrication now, which we will do in a similar way like how we did the cleaning. Yeah, we sprayed it on the chain. Similarly, we will spray the lube now. Alright, so with this, the chain cleaning and lubing process is complete. I hope we learned something today, and you can see that the chain looks brand new. It looks completely lubricated and it looks healthy. So now the bike should run much more better, much more smoother. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do leave a like, share it with your friends and family who might be interested to know how to do a chain cleaning and lubing. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Forgot to add a very important point. Do the cleaning and lubing at least like 8 hours before your ride begins, so that it gets properly applied on the chain and it gets dry and it's not completely wet, and that it won't quickly wash away from the chain when you are running your motorcycle. Yeah, this is what I wanted to add. That's it. Bye.